Yeah.
Welcome on everybody. So today we are Reggae Falls, as you can see. So today we are doing treasure hunting. So the metal detector here. I don't know, Claud there as always.
Yeah.
I'm gonna fly the big bad drone.
Yes, sir.
Lennon there. Tavan there. And Najuma there over here, so.
Hi, I'm vlogging guys.
Yeah, she a vlog. So I get started now and show them where I go and see if I find the treasure. What them call it? Source fish or steam fish? Boy, man, you have to use something, man. You can't use your hand on that.
What me have to use? Bush it there now, kid.
You think you're rough, man. Alright, roast fish with roast plantain. You hear them, man? Butter in it too?
Everything.
Alright.
Nah, man, I don't know. Trouble on the white that.
Mad. All I wanna go in the water, because the drone crash. But it not crash, it crash land.
No, you know crash land. That's an emergency land.
It not, sorry, in a crash land, it not crash, it emergency land.
You know, less than ideal
Just,
conditions.
yes. It crump, no. It,
But 29%?
yeah, 29% of the drone on land. Nothing wrong with that in it, but it land too fast. You know?
Like the way it just happened there, just.
Is it ready now?
Long time.
Yeah. Let's see.
So.
Bust open. The man smell it there?
That
It's
normal.
smell like a restaurant cooking, man.
Trouble.
Yeah. Smell like a restaurant cooking. Nice. Oh, this is my one?
Yeah, man.
Alright, man, respect.
Just beat that one then, maybe. Yeah, somebody else.
Yeah, me and the man shake, man.
Yeah, but I was on a 6 man. 2 man.
Oh,
So that one there, one at 3.
Alright.
The chef himself.
Yeah, man, you know.
yeah, the bad chef. Smell like a restaurant. The food, the fish smell like a restaurant cooking.
Oh, hold on there. The thing there.
Oh, a piece of plantain.
Oh, that one is soft.
Right, that's the
Soft.
too soft.
Yeah.
Oh.
Too soft. Ooh.
Alright, one thing.
What is it now?
Mad. Respect. So what's that parking in the car? One fish to each person, you know. 3 in there, so, and more over there, so.
Another one there, and 2 in the next one.
Yeah.
Alright, my thing.
So I shut it down first and then go. Eh?
No, see, I also sold that first one.
Oh.
Yeah, give me one of them.
Yeah. Yeah. I deal with it right there, so go for your fork. Go for your fork and shut it down. This come more like a vlog Claud than a metal detecting video.
We're so going to water.
We're so going to water go search and see what can go on. Because I try to figure out the drone because the drop in the water.
At the battery gone, man. Seems like everything is good.
That one here.
Again, you know, so.
Alright.
5, right? 5 on, right?
Yeah, 5 away.
Yeah, man.
4 or 5. Planting. See it there? One fish there, so. One fish there, so. 5 in total. Alright, so we reach closer to the waterfall now, so I get started. And see if we can find anything at all. Hopefully, because the water kind of rough here, so I don't even know if you can really. It's a rough, just know that. I see if we can go on. Alright people, so that's a wrap for the day. So I'm showing you everything I'm gonna find underneath the water. Alright, so we'll find these glasses. Najuma says she want it. Najuma, what you say about the glasses?
Me, I'm bringing go Colombia with me.
You bring a Colombia?
Definitely. Like, you see this? You know, see this? I was gonna buy these glasses for $3,000, you know. God just said no. And then him cement the outfit in my mind, because the first night is leather. It fit me now. Oh my god.
Where am I going with that, man? I don't know, more like him do, make create content for them. Alright, so we'll find that glasses there. Najuma says she'll take it. Find that one or two in the water. I don't know what kind of, how much brand this?
I don't know.
No, I don't know what that is.
That one or two. Find this too. And find a Ray-Bans too as well. A Ray-Bans this?
Gaga.
Alright, it not mark Ray-Bans, but it look like a Ray-Bans. And then we'll find them other, find a screwdriver. I'm gonna keep this definitely and use it because it's still good. And we'll find a mashup earphone. Alright, so that's it. I will find some silver too, but I know the silver them there. Yeah. The water here so actually hard for use. Not use, hard for.
Oh my goodness!
It's hard for do metal detecting because the water constantly push you back, which by the falls there. So it's hard, actually hard. So that's how we'll find it. So that's how we'll find for today, guys. So today was a mini vlog, mini metal detecting day / yeah. Alright, so stay tuned for your next one.